आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है।
चाहे आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक हो या नहीं, लेकिन रेज्यूमे में इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस जरूर होना चाहिए। So let me rephrase that. क्या आपके रेज्यूमे में इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस है? नहीं? तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। एंड तक देखो और सेव कर लो, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में मैंने आपके लिए कवर किया है हाउ यू कैन लैंड एन इंटर्नशिप इन 2025. I have divided this video in 5 sections. What is an internship? When is the right time to do an internship in college? How to get an internship with basic skills? Should I pay for an internship? And then average internship stipend in India. Now firstly, let's understand what exactly is an internship. अब मूवी देखने से पहले उसका ट्रेलर देखते हो कि नहीं? क्यों देखते हो? ये जानने के लिए कि मूवी आपके इंटरेस्ट की है भी कि नहीं? Similarly, an internship is a trailer of your actual job.
Aspect. So I of course was very curious to know what goes within the company to.
And the best part is that you get paid to watch this trailer. Yes, in internship you get a stipend. In internship you work in a company in the field you are interested in.
Getting the hands-on experience, like with the mentor, I got a few very nice things. Like I worked on the CRM from the mentors and the employers.
In the process, you find out your interest, and also you get the chance to enhance your skills like communication and problem-solving skills. And sometimes internships lead to a full-time job as well.
इंटर्नशाला में 300 लोग हैं। क्या आप जानते हैं इनमें से 250 लोगों ने एज एन इंटर्न शुरू किया था इंटर्नशाला में और अपनी इंटर्नशिप को फुल टाइम कन्वर्ट किया, फिर फुल टाइम से वो मैनेजर बने, मैनेजर सीनियर मैनेजर बने, आज वीपी।
An internship helps you find out what you don't like. For example, let's say you are interested in a career in software development, but you are not sure what it is like and how to do that job. Then by doing a software development internship, you can explore the field and get a clearer idea of whether it is the right career for you, and if not, then you can explore the next possible career option again through an internship. So when is the right time to do an internship? The answer is simple: as early as possible. Ideally from your first year of college itself. Now you might be wondering,
so why should I pursue an internship in the first year of my college? Isn't that students usually do in their final years? What if I didn't pursue an internship in my first year? अभी नहीं कर सकते क्या?
Well, the answer is simple. जब जागो तब सवेरा. It's never too late to start. Well, here's the thing. Internship can be done at any point during your college life. But अगर आप internship first year से ही start कर देते हैं, तो आपको अपने करियर में काफ़ी एडवांटेजेस मिलते हैं, जैसे कि more internships means more experience. The earlier you start, the more internships you can do throughout your college life.
तो is it true that आपने अभी तक 12th internship कर ली है और अभी आप कॉलेज के फर्स्ट ईयर में?
This means by the time you graduate, you will have a solid list of experience to showcase on your resume.
Marketing is one bracket where I learned digital marketing, and now at Internshala I'm learning social media marketing.
Second, HR often asks this question: why should we hire you? Starting internships early will give you the perfect answer for this question. You can say that I began exploring internships early, which shows my dedication and passion to learn. Through multiple internships, I have chosen this field, which shows my interest, confidence, and experience in the field. I have identified my skill gaps during internship, and I took online courses to improve them. This makes me a perfect fit for this role. Third, the competition is intense, and starting early will set you apart from other students who might start too late. अब जब competition इतना हो, तो आगे तो रहना ही होगा, right?
That is correct.
I know what you are thinking. Why would anyone hire me when I do not know anything yet? Do not worry, you are not alone. At Internshala, we often hear these exact concerns from students like you. The good news is that you do not need to have everything figured out right now. And that's exactly what the next section is all about. How you can get an internship with limited skills. Step 1. Register on Internshala. It is a well-known and a trusted platform specifically designed for students and freshers who do not have any prior experience. तो Internshala पर जाओ, प्रोफाइल बनाओ और internship अप्लाई करो. Step 2. Apply to those internships that required limited technical skills or internships that align with your interest areas or hobby but can help you gain valuable experience. For example, if you're good at English speaking or you enjoyed writing essays in your school days, then content writing can be a great option for you. और अगर आप टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से हो तो टेक्निकल कंटेंट राइटिंग की इंटर्नशिप्स भी ट्राई कर सकते हो। सेकंड, आजकल कौन सोशल मीडिया यूज नहीं करता? इफ यू लव स्क्रॉलिंग थ्रू इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक और लिंक्डइन, देन यू कैन डू social media management internships. You can manage social media accounts for companies or influencers and get paid while doing something you enjoy. Third, data entry internships are also great to gain experience. If you know basic Excel, you can help companies to organize their data. Fourth, अगर desk jobs आपको सूट नहीं करती और आपको लोगों से interact करना पसंद है, तो sales perfect feel हो सकती है. Sales internships are great to learn negotiation skills, communication skills, and customer relationship management. Fifth, अगर आपके पास people skill है but आपको sales की field में interest नहीं है, then you can also apply to customer support internships. In this internship, you will get to interact with people and solve their problems and queries. Sixth, if you enjoy organizing parties or attending concert like Diljit ka concert or helping family members plan their events, then an event management internship could be a great fit for you. इसके थ्रू दिलजीत के कॉन्सर्ट भी फ्री में अटेंड कर सकते हो। 7th, नेक्स्ट चैट जीपीटी तो आप सबने सुना ही होगा, तो प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग इंटर्नशिप्स अप्लाई कर सकते हो। अरे कुछ भी टेक्निकल नहीं है, इट्स ऑल अबाउट राइटिंग सिंपल कमांड्स फॉर एआई टू गेट गुड रिजल्ट्स। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट दिस फील्ड ऑफर्स ग्रेट स्टाइपेंड्स। प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग के बेसिक्स समझने के लिए यू कैन इवन डू शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्स लाइक इंटर्नशाला प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग विद Gen AI course. HR can also be a great field for you to work if you are a people person and have a good communication skills.
Okay, so what are your work ethics and values?
But if you are that kind of student who wants to learn the skill first and then apply for internship, then you can also offer online courses that come with internship guarantee, like Internshala placement guarantee courses. Many students often ask me, क्या मुझे किसी कंपनी को पैसे देकर वहाँ पर internship करनी चाहिए? Should I pay for an internship? The answer is no, बिल्कुल नहीं. Legitimate and good companies will never ask you pay for an internship or job. Instead, you should focus on building your skills to get a paid internship. If you can't find a paid one, consider unpaid internship only if they offer you valuable experience or an impressive company name that you can mention on your resume. NGOs like Teach for India often provide such internships with plenty of learning opportunities. Avoid internships where you do not gain any experience. But if you are using Internshala to find internship, you do not need to worry about unpaid internships. Internshala ensures that companies only post paid internship opportunities that offer you valuable learning experiences. तो एक बार Internshala जरूर चेक कर लेना। अब ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन समझने के बाद आपको एक क्वेश्चन तो जरूर दिमाग में आएगा।
So how much stipend can I expect as an intern?
Well, the stipend completely depends on your role, skills, and the company you are interning at. To give you some idea, here on the screen are some of the popular internship roles with an average stipend range. And with that, I have come to the end of the video. I hope this video will help you find the right internship for you. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Internshala, start searching for internships, and get ready to start your career journey. But before that, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. All the best.